Hey guys, it's Marissa. Welcome to my full wash day. I wore my hair in this DIY silk press for a little over 3 weeks, but now it's time to bring the curls back. So I'm washing my hair using my As I Am Jamaican black castor oil shampoo. I love this shampoo because it's very moisturizing and it has pretty good slip. It's a staple in my wash day for sure. Once I have all the shampoo rinsed out, I'm going to go in with the As I Am Restore and Repair Jamaican Black Castor Oil Conditioner. I want to keep with the same theme about adding moisture back to my hair since I did apply a lot of heat when I did my silk press, and these products are super moisturizing. I'm also finger detangling as I'm adding in this conditioner, which my hair isn't that tangled because it was straight, so this is making my wash day a lot easier than what it would normally be. Big girls all get a little taste out, pushing me away so I give a space out, dealing with a heart that I didn't break. I'll be there for you, I would care for you, I keep thanking you. After I worked the conditioner into my hair really good, I put a shower cap on and I let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes and rinsed it out. Just don't forget me, we'll change the pace and we'll just go slow. If you let me, here's what I'll do. And once I have all of that out, I'm going to go in with the Cantu Shea Butter for Natural Hair Deep Treatment Mask. I love this mask so much. It is so moisturizing. This mask has a very thick, heavy cream-like consistency, and I'm just trying to scare my curls into coming back. I made sure to go through my hair section by section, breaking it up into smaller pieces to try to coat every single strand with this mask because I need the moisture right now. I need it. And after I finger detangle and work that all through, I get into my shower cap once again and sit for another 10 to 15 minutes. You can do this under a hooded dryer. It's probably better to do so, but all these steps I had going on and I'm super lazy, so yeah, I just kind of skipped that out and used the heat from my head in the shower cap and kept it pushing, and I still got good results. Once I'm back in the shower and rinsing the mask out, I'm going to then detangle using my Tangle Teaser brush. Notice that this is the first time that I'm applying any type of tool to my hair after conditioning 2 times. While still in the shower, I'm going to add my Camille Rose Honey Hydrate leave-in conditioner. It's better for me to add in my leave-in while I'm still in the shower just because I have low porosity hair, and the steam and moisture for the shower just kind of helps my hair absorb the products a little better. Moving straight from the shower into the styling process, I'm going to be using the blue Wetline Extreme Gel to create my wash and go. I have some warm water in my spray bottle, and I'm just going to spray my hair as I see fit and run my dimming brush through my hair to create some, defined luscious curls or whatever. I also did some raking of my hair as well to try to create curls, but the raking method really doesn't do it for me. It's just the dimming brush. It's the only way that I can attempt to create a curl. I tried to make sure that I was focusing the gel on my roots because I do have the tendency to have, poofy roots or whatever. And I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you have some tips and suggestions for me to improve my wash and go, because it's definitely not where I want it to be, but I've come a long way. So like I said, just using the dimming brush, my water, Wetline Extreme Gel, and a little bit of raking here and there. So I'm going to let you guys watch me complete my head, and then I'll come back with the finished look and my final thoughts. Everything you do makes me love.
I let my hair air dry overnight, and this is the result. This is day 2 hair. So I air dried overnight, wore it out, and then just put it in this little cute ponytail up top. My hair is super moisturized and so soft. It's not as defined as I would like a wash and go to be, but I'm loving it. And I didn't do any stretching or anything like that. I just like for my hair to get bigger as the day goes on, unless it's like super crunchy or anything like that. But since it's not all that defined, my curls didn't shrink that bad. But anywho, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share it with somebody, all of that good stuff. Let me know down below what staple products you like to use in your wash and go routine, because I'm trying to switch it up a little bit. I'm tired of using the same go-to products, especially with my wash and go, because I feel like I haven't truly perfected it yet. So I need to change it up and add some new things into my routine. So definitely leave your suggestions down below, and I will see you guys in my next video.